Have you ever marveled at the magic that happens in the kitchen? Imagine turning that passion into a captivating display for the world to see. Welcome to the art of creating a YouTube cooking channel, a place where culinary dreams become digital reality. First things first, carve out your niche. What makes your cooking unique? Are you a wizard with vegan dishes or perhaps a connoisseur of regional cuisines? Pinpointing your specialty not only sets you apart, but also attracts a dedicated audience who shares your culinary interests. Now, think about your channel name. It should be memorable, appetizing, and reflective of your cooking style. Consider incorporating puns or alliterations to make it catchy. Once you settle on the perfect name, secure it across all social media platforms to maintain consistency and build your brand. Content is king, so plan it wisely. Start with an introductory video that shares your cooking philosophy and what viewers can expect from your channel. Following that, map out your first 10 videos. Keep recipes simple at first to encourage everyone to cook along. A good rule of thumb is to alternate between popular dishes and your unique creations to keep your content fresh and engaging. The equipment matters, but you don't need to break the bank. A good quality smartphone and natural lighting can work wonders. Invest in a sturdy tripod to keep your shots steady. As for audio, a simple lapel microphone can significantly enhance the sound quality of your videos. Filming your first video might seem daunting, but focus on clarity. Make sure each step of the recipe is demonstrated clearly. Use close-ups to show texture and technique. Remember, you're not just cooking, you're teaching. Editing is where the real magic happens. Use editing software to cut down on unnecessary parts, add music lightly in the background, and perhaps infuse some humor with fun graphics or captions. Keep your edits tight to maintain pace and engagement. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or free software like DaVinci Resolve can help you achieve professional-looking results. Finally, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage them to share their recreations. Building a community around your channel will not only boost your visibility, but also provide valuable insights into what your audience loves. Starting a YouTube cooking channel is a journey of 1,000 miles, and it begins with a single video. So, stir up some excitement, fire up your stove, and share your culinary passion with the world. Your kitchen awaits! Remember, consistency is key. Keep cooking, keep filming, and keep engaging. Your food story is unique, and the world is eager to taste it. Start your channel today and transform every meal into a masterpiece. Happy cooking!